Okay, guys, okay, hello. Today I have to go to the doctor, so we will do the experiment a little bit earlier. We'll do it right now. So, where do left off yesterday? So I think that Gemini wants me to study some stuff before starting. It kinda defeats the purpose a little bit. It kinda is. Let me read. Okay, so we are here. We're here. Let me. Anti-gravity. Is right. Okay. Let me put some music on. Okay, guys. Ready? So, right now I have to study this, and after this I will do the experiment. Okay? Maybe. I don't have much time right now. Okay. Let me study this for like 7 minutes. Okay. heard it. You heard the AI. Actually, you read the AI. Let's go. Okay, so we go here. I started already. We go here. We go donut. Go here. Go day 3C. Okay. Let me do something else. Let me just take this. Okay, I didn't saw anything, bro. Okay, so in May, I actually have forgot already what I did yesterday, but I'm gonna try anyway. So for 10 minutes right now, I have to elaborate what I'm going to do. So I think here that we have to define like width and height. Okay, of this height of the screen. Okay, of the terminal screen. Okay, how this. Then we set the program, and then we go like we compute the center. Compute the center of the circle. Okay. Also, what did we do? Init the radius. Okay, and then init the 1D array. Okay, we got this. We got it. After this, go this. Come on, baby. Okay. Okay, and then we fill it up. Fill the 1D array with space characters. And then we have the for loop. Then we compute the points that are on the perimeter of the circle. We compute the index, which actually okay, I remember, which is C, which is the rows P width plus E in order to find the position. Okay, in order to find the position inside the array, we do this, okay. And then after this, we compute the points that are in the perimeter. We compute actually the distance, compute the distance from the center. If points for a point inside the 2 for loops. Okay, if the point is on the perimeter, is on the perimeter of the circle, we compute and we assign the character. We need also 9,5 in order to calibrate the height to be closer to the width due to the hardware limitations. Okay, and then this is the for loop, and then we do 2 for loops to print the contents of the 1D array. Okay. When we change row, we print. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so I have 3 more minutes. Let me elaborate a little bit more. Let's put this on the third and then king. Okay. Come on, man. Come on. Faster, please. Okay, so. Okay, whatever. I'm good. So, okay, I will work with this right now, okay? Can I hide this? Oh shit. Oh no, I didn't know. Anyway, we have this as our screen, okay? We have this as our screen, okay? This is like 40, this is 20. So we have the 1D array starts like 0, 1, 2. These are all cells, okay? They are all cells. Each cell, it's a character on the screen. Okay, so we have it. So our 2D array is all this, which is like 40 multiplied by 20. Okay, so in order to find, as we saw in the previous example, in order to find, for example, this point, let's say it is on the second row, starting from 0, 1. It is on the second row, for example, and is like 23. Very. Anyway, it's like we have to multiply the width by the rows, which is this is the psi. Psi. He. So psi right now there, starting from 0, it's 2. So we have psi, epi width, which is this. In order like to have 10, for example, 10, 20, 23, if we have here 10, we have, okay, so we have 10, 20, 23, like here is 30 or something, or here is 9, I don't know, I'm not sure about this. And we plus the he, which is the he, the x, which is like this, like the position on the horizontal space, I would say. So here we have, this is the index. Okay. And what we want to do is like find the distance. The distance is, I don't understand exactly why the space is like width via, I guess. So we have, yeah, so to be in a center, okay, makes sense. Okay, so the distance is like he, she, shoot them. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm starting. Okay, so let's go Actually, what do we have to do? Mhm. Phase 2, 10 to 40 minutes. Convert your comments into the actual code. Steps to retrieve. Okay, I don't want to do this. I know how to do this. The rule, not allowed to compile during this phase. You get, forget the semicolon. Must fix using mental model. The thing is that right now I know what I have to do. Like, you go here, you go like this, define width, let's say 40. Oh shit, Q, escape, what the fuck? Tab. Why, what is this? Special D? Ah, okay. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Define, hate, it's like, okay. So first, compute the circle. So we have E float, let's say all are those are floats. Okay, not sure about this. I have to accept that. Like center here is width. Okay. So what is this? And we'll see in the compile phase what precision we lose. Okay. See, same. Okay. Also, the radius float radius is like we saw yesterday, it's 8. And then let's initialize the car screen. This is our 2D array, which will be width. Okay. Now we fill the array. I would like to have some space here. I don't like this. Okay, so we fill the array. How do we fill the array? For int I 0 I width yes 8 okay I plus okay play ball like this, like real man. I don't like to write C programs like this. I like to write my Java like this. Because why it goes here, I'm so fuck. Anyway. So we have screen I with the space that we discussed. And now that we have our 1D array filled with spaces, now we start compute the things. So we go, give the point of the parameter, for. We started with C because 1 row, 2 rows. So this is the way that the computer works. So we have to go starting with the why I'm saying C. C is Y in Greek. So this so far inside my head, so I cannot like get it out of my head. So okay, let's pretend that all this time I was saying Y. So we started with the Y. Goes computer's going to print the first row, then the second row. It can go like print here, here, and go again, start from the second column. It has to go row by row, okay? Okay, so we start with C, 0. 8, 8, yeah, good. Okay. Why I'm saying C, bro? Why I'm saying C, bro? Smaller with I must fix my code typing, like. Okay, now we have to compute, like, what do we have to do? If the points the compute, okay, now we compute the distance, float, distance with okay, have this. And then we have to say if distance the what the heck, distance if distance smaller by radius distance radius index. I will say here okay, and we have like screen index with this. Okay, and this. Okay. If distance I think somewhere we multiply by this. I think it's the we have to make it smaller. The height, we have to make the height smaller. Okay, so the height it's this. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, because the width it's okay. Okay. Anyway. Again, we do the same. with put tab screen the same here. Do the same. I like to see it good. 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 Sorry. So we have this, okay, and then here do like and I think that this is our program. This is our program, guys. I think this is it. This goes here. We do two loops. Something like this. Okay, so I think now the chat says I will compile it because I have already, it's ready. So here I'm multiplying by 0 half point anyway, because as we saw earlier, like if we put characters in this way, they spread like they are more narrow. If we go like vertically, they are more wide. They have more space. So we multiply this by 0.5 in order to make this smaller, like half of it. Because if we make it half of it, it will be closer to this. Okay, I don't want to save this. Okay. Kill it and donut, okay, GCC, day 3, okay, day 3. Oh, it compiled. Maybe I haven't. Oh, weird. Oh shit, it didn't work. Why? Why should I make all float int instead of float? Why it did compile? Ah shit. This is square root, guys. This is square root. Because it's like, if you have this, let's go here, like if you have this, the r is square root of, it's simple math, guys. It's simple math. We learn this. We learn this in high school, not in junior high school. Okay, and that's what I was. And maybe we should go with this, like make it double. I don't have much time, guys. I don't have much time. Anyway. Okay. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. Shit. Maybe it's this one. because I haven't understand it. I haven't understand this very well right now. Huh. Close enough. That's not it. Do I need to make all of those things? Where do we use this again? There's something wrong with my mental model. Not sure. We haven't used this for some reason. Yeah, because I'm stupid. I think. Yeah, I'm stupid. That's why. It's center. Here's the multiplication stuff. Shit, again, the same thing. Why? That's weird, actually. Ah, okay. Let's see. Huh. Then I think this has to do with ints. Okay. What if I do this int as well? Will it work? Yeah. Again, this, they saved it. Oh shit. No, again, so maybe make this double float. Because guys, I don't have much time. I will think it for like 10 minutes and then I will call it a day. Somewhere here, I'm missing something here, I'm sure. Maybe the multiplication is over here. That's the reason I'm missing all this. It's like because I haven't understand it yet. Better. I think I'm getting somewhere. I don't have Windows. Yeah. Okay. I'm missing something here. Don't tell me it's this. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yeah. So guys, because I don't have much time today, I'm gonna describe what I did with the AI. First I want to see what's the right one. Why it's the... Why? Why the fuck? Sorry guys about this. I had a phone call right now that changed plans. Oh shit. Okay. No. No. Okay, I will. Oh. Okay, so I will read this tomorrow, and that's all for today, guys. Thank you for coming. I know that it wasn't 50 minutes, but I have to go. See you tomorrow.